Hey, Mom. Come here.
Here you go.
Mom, come here.
All right. Oh, Jesus. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to drop it, Mom. I threw it. I went to put it up and it rolled down here and hit your foot. I'm sorry. No, I did it. I'm sorry. Look,
Why are you here?
I've been driving all day.
Did you know he was here?
Yeah.
Aww.
Like I said, Kim, paybacks are a bitch.
Hey.
Who is it?
It's
It's okay, Kim. You silly bitch. You just got here?
Yeah.
Thank
Well,
God.
I've
We
been
just
here
got
for-
here, too.
Yeah, I know.